Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix there was a problem logging you into Instagram. Please try again soon. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to log in your Instagram app, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the Play Store. Just tap on the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating the Instagram app, then go back, tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, then find here Instagram. Tap on the search bar, type here Instagram, tap on the Instagram. Once you need to tap on the force stop. After that you can see here storage and cache, tap on that. Once you need to tap on the clear cache. After that you need to tap on the clear storage, then tap on OK, then go back. After doing this, try and check. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix there was a problem logging you into Instagram. Please try again soon. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.